Hello and welcome muli sa aking kusina. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng salted egg or itlog na maalat. And here are the following ingredients. Duck eggs, rice vinegar, water, salt, and whole corn pepper. So dito sa ating bowl, paghaluin lang natin yung ating rice wine vinegar, yung ating salt, and yung ating paminta. So, haluin lang natin maigi hanggang ma-fully dissolve yung ating salt. So, ayan. Fully dissolved na yung ating salt. So, iset aside lang muna natin. So, dito sa isang jar, ilagay lang natin yung ating itlog. So, hindi pa ito luto. Ayan. And then, isasalin natin yung ating water and salt mixture. Dapat nakasoak yung ating egg. So, ayan. Ayan. Soak na soak dapat yung ating itlog. So, cover lang natin to. Make sure na tightly sealed ang inyong jar. And then, ililive natin to for 30 days. So, medyo matagal-tagal yung pag-iintay natin. So, balikan natin to after 30 days. So, ito na yung ating na-soak na egg for 30 days. So, ilalaga na natin siya ngayon. So, buksan lang natin to. And then, tanggalin natin yung ating egg. Salin natin dito. So, ito na. Nasalin na natin sa pan yung ating egg. Yung ating pinagbabalan, dun din natin ilalagay yung egg. So, dagdagan lang natin ng konting water. Make sure na nakalubog yung egg. And then, we will boil this for 20 to 25 minutes. So, this one is almost ready. So, kung makikita nyo, nag-crystallize na yung ating salt. So, i-drain lang natin to. And then, we will cool this down completely bago natin i-serve. So, ito na ang ating salted egg. Best served with tomato. So, sana magustuhan nyo to and share it with your friends. Hanggang sa susunod kong video, magkita-kita ulit tayo. Salamat! Bye!